Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Avalara AvaTax with QuickBooks for audit trails, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Avalara AvaTax with QuickBooks, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the apps menu on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type Avalara AvaTax. Click on the Avalara AvaTax app from the search results. Select the Get App Now button to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts to connect your QuickBooks account with Avalara AvaTax. You will be redirected to the Avalara website to create or log into your Avalara account. Once logged in, authorize the connection by providing the necessary permissions. Return to QuickBooks after the authorization is complete. Within the QuickBooks dashboard, go to the Settings menu. Select Sales Tax from the list of options. Look for the Avalara AvaTax settings and click on Configure. In this section, enter your Avalara account information as prompted. Review the settings to ensure they reflect your company's tax settings accurately. After entering all necessary information, save your settings. Now, proceed to create a test invoice within QuickBooks to ensure the integration works seamlessly. Review the invoice to verify that tax calculations are accurate and reflect Avalara's rates. Check the audit trail in both QuickBooks and Avalara for proper tracking. If all information appears correct, your integration is successful. Should you encounter any issues, refer to Avalara's support resources for troubleshooting. Regularly monitor your transactions to ensure they align with tax compliance requirements. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Avalara AvaTax with QuickBooks for audit trails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.